Northern Hospital of Surrey County, we're proud of our state-of-the-art facility. But what we pride ourselves on most is family and our care of the individual.
I like a small hospital because I feel like I know most everyone here. As I said, there's not a great deal of turnover. We feel like we have a family type atmosphere here. Everybody's warm and hospitable to everybody. It's just like a family here.
The notion is if you go elsewhere, if you go down the road to some larger institution, you'll get better care, you'll have smarter people. Well, that's not true. You may not get better care. For common problems, you will get better care here. And many of the physicians are trained at those larger institutions, and they brought that knowledge with them. So you have the advantage of being close to home and having very good quality care.
With that caring comes some of the finest resources available. Our 10-bed intensive care coronary unit, our 40-bed medical and 40-bed surgical units. Over 36,000 patients each year are treated in our busy 24-hour emergency room.
I think we're very responsive to community needs. We're starting to plan a new $3 million emergency department expansion that will enable us to provide even more services to our population. More examination rooms to take care of more primary care needs like coughs, sore throats, colds, and minor injuries, while giving us even larger trauma areas to take care of our sicker patients.
Oh my goodness. Okay, here's Mommy.
Nearly 600 babies are brought into the world each year at our Level 2 nursery. We have 5 operating suites, a 13-bed psychiatric unit, and a 13-bed skilled nursing unit. And our day surgery unit allows patients to recover from procedures at home.
And everything today is going towards outpatient type basis. You know, a lot of insurance companies and that kind of thing want you to do things on an outpatient basis. And patients usually do better if they can go back home that day.
Our state-of-the-art radiology department boasts CT scan, mobile MRI, mammography, ultrasound, and nuclear medicine. Our helipad allows us to transport critical care patients to one of 2 hospitals in nearby Winston-Salem, just 35 miles south.
Stretch across.
Among our other services is a physical therapy department, which performs over 25,000 treatments a year. An on-site pharmacy that processes more than 125,000 prescriptions each year. And a thriving home health care agency, which provides treatments for patients who can't come to us.
Home health care's focus is to assist with that patient's care needs in the home setting. Nursing services go in per the doctor's orders for skilled nursing care, and assistance can also be provided for their basic personal needs.
The quality of patient care at Northern Hospital is constantly being evaluated to ensure quality care for all patients.
We need to be accountable for what we do, for the care we provide and for the services we provide. So our department does monitor that. Departments participate, and the information is fed through our department and reported to the appropriate committees.
There's a tremendous effort here at quality control and at patient care and making sure the patient is satisfied.
Patients are satisfied because the people who work here are.
There's always some concern that a hospital will indeed make the necessary purchases, and they have all through the years. All I have to do is document that they're reasonable, and they usually are, and they get them, and we turn out to use them, and everybody's happy.
You can make changes that you want to make when you want to make them without going through a lot of red tape that is required and necessary at larger institutions.
I've worked at a large hospital, and smaller hospitals I prefer. I think you get the more personal touch, I guess you could say.
I love what I'm doing here. You know, I never realized that I would be doing this, you know, back down the line, but it's been real rewarding, you know. It's a job that you can do and feel comfortable with.
With 137 beds and a $32 million operating budget, Northern Hospital of Surry County is a vital part and a major employer. But there's more to the area than medical care. Mount Airy is a regional manufacturing and retail center with a diverse industrial base, from textiles to granite quarrying. The magnificent Blue Ridge Parkway is only 10 miles away. 2 country clubs service Surry County residents. And an active arts council makes its home in the Andy Griffith Playhouse, named for Mount Airy's most famous son. The qualities that inspired Mr. Griffith to create a friendly, caring place like Mayberry are still apparent in Mount Airy and the surrounding region. And that carries over to Northern Hospital. We're committed to making the hurt feel well again on so many levels. Northern Hospital of Surry County. Quality health care close to home.